everybody, this is Shannon from Cruising Carefree for a follow-up video of my life jacket. I'm gonna pull it out. So we took it and submerged it in water after we blew it up. Submerged in water with all unscented liquid detergent, let that soak, and then took a brush and used spray and wash. Is that what it's called? spot spray and wash, and it came out a lot cleaner. So this is what it looks like. There's still some spots, but it is like, I don't know, 10 years old or something like that. But so yeah, it turned out pretty good. My fit check for the day, I got my Genoa sweatshirt on. This is a coastal West Marine life jacket, and capris and Brooks tennis shoes with insoles for my plantar fasciitis. And I put a life jacket on like this. I put it over my head and strap it in under the chesties. So it's much cleaner. And this is my go-to life jacket because it's lightweight. I like this because it's purple. It's kind of girly, and it's easy to get on and off, and it doesn't, I have an issue with neck things. So my husband has an older life jacket that has like a flap for the neck, and I can't stand it. So this is a lightweight jacket, has a little zipper. It used to be able to fit my phone, but now that I got a Pro 17, it's not going to fit in there. But you can put keys, lanyards, whatever, money, credit card, and that works out nice. But yeah, so it did come a lot cleaner. So it's a beautiful day out here in Anacortes, and I'm gonna go check out one of the festivals in downtown. So look for that content later on. Enjoy life.